Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for yet another Sunday. Today I want to share with you a neat little project I've been working on for Mother's Day, and I'm going to explain it in just a moment. However, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course click on the bell so you will not miss any future videos or any random videos I may be placing up. So I hope everyone is well, so let's get in. So I was looking for something really neat for Mother's Day, something a little different that from the normal that I do. And I went ahead online and I got this little template here of a dress. So I cut out a few of them and I went on this venture to decorate and, make it look all nice and everything for, to place on the front of cards. So I'm going to just share with you the designs I came up with and what I used to create the designs. So right now I do have a couple of them. I have this neat little design here. Now, these are all, of course, some of which are made from scrap. Most of them are made from scrap. And I use, for the bottom here, I did have, if I can find it, I did have a, what you call it, a die cut, sorry. It was a banner die cut, those with the rounded bottoms. I use those on the end so that I can just create, a little pattern at the bottom. So I had the rounded end, and I also did have the, oh, there it is. There we go. So some of them I use this banner. Some of them I use this banner here so that I can, get the ends, just give it a little style. So this one I used this here. So all those that are rounded, I use this. And of course, this is one of the designs I came up with. Kind of like the color on this one. Here is another one. I used this die cut for the bottom. So this is it right here. Then I had another one that I used. At the bottom here, I had a cloud die that I used just to get that irregular edging. And of course, the colors. I do like that one a lot. Here's another one, again from scrap. I also use the same cloud die cut just to do at the bottom so it looks, just nice and classy instead of just the, like this, which is just a simple dress. Here is another neat one. I did get two of those. I kind of like this style, so I have two of them done. And of course I used the one had the cloud on the bottom, and this one I used this here, like just like this, so you can see how it came out. Okay, so I had two of those. Then I have this one here, just nice little neat dresses that I'm going to put. I love this one. This one is kind of different, again from scraps. And then I used the cloud die cut for the bottom, so it came out with a really nice design on the end. This one is just gorgeous. Okay, I use leftover green scraps, a red, and if you can look close, I don't know if you can see here, it's like it was from, I believe it was a paper pad. I had a 4x6, I think, paper pad with this in there. So I use that, and these are just accessories that I already have that I used. I got two of those. I thought those were really cute, just silver and blue, and I use ribbon just to, give it a little extra extra bling, I guess. And then of course the little jewels, and then around the neck I used I have a silver pearlized drop, which I use for this one. And these are two black and whites that I did. Again, I used a silver pearlized. In fact, no, this is the white one. Yes, I use white because I wanted black and white. And then I placed those two gems on there. And of course, I just messed around with just strips. So It was just a way to just give it a different look and a different feel. And pretty much that's what I have been working on. But if you're interested and you want to look for, um, just templates that you can use and that you can tweak, you can always do a Google search. Sometimes you find them on Pinterest. You may find them on other sites, but I think I got this one just from a Google search. But Pinterest, of course, have different ones. And I'm going to share these other ones with you. So on Pinterest, I got like, this is the skirt on this one. It was several of them. So these were 3 skirts. I was kind of messing around with one of them. So I'm going to kind of stretch it out. So this was another one. And people post them. And this is the last skirt. And then you have like tops to match like this. And I believe I have, here's another top. And there is another piece here. Okay, just so you could always find different things from making um, tuxedo cards. People are posting templates up there that you can download and use. So why don't knock yourself out? Go ahead and give it a try and see what you come up with. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you guys next Sunday. Do have a wonderful and safe week. See you again. Bye-bye.